just about 9 a.m. I just sat and cried 'cause I knew I was never gonna see her again. All the days since she left have kind of been a fuzzy blur, and I'm gonna have to build me a bypass just to get around thoughts of her. Oh, I gotta do road construction on my heart. I feel run down and tired without my better part. Feel like I'm running low on gas. I'm gonna need to build me a triple bypass. Road construction on my heart. We were at a crossroads at our life's great intersection. I must have made a wrong turn or two that led to her rejection. She rode along for a couple of miles and I wanted to keep her home. But since she left, every woman I see is a bright orange traffic cone. Road construction on my heart. I feel run down and tired without my better part. I feel like I'm running low on gas. I'm gonna need to build me